Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 12th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see the markets close higher, although they did close well off their highs. The Dow was up by 157 points. You can see we did get back to that downward sloping 20-period moving average earlier in the session and then sold off again. The S&P 500 was up 14 points by the end of the session, while the Nasdaq 100 gaining 66 points. Again, was much higher earlier in the session and then dropped back, and the Russell 2000 finished higher by 15 points. So the bond market did trade lower. That gave the yield on the 10-year note a lift. It is now at 2.914. Crude oil finished the day lower by about half a point or so, and gold was higher by $3.40 at the official close. This had to do with weakness on the US dollar. Not a whole lot, but here we are back to that 20-period moving average. Looks like we are range bound now, and these are the levels to watch. The recent high at 97.69. and the low of November 20th, which was 96.04. Now, in other news today, Under Armour plunging on news. Actually, they announced that they are lowering their earnings forecast for fiscal 2018. The stock down $1.86 or almost 9%. So what are the key levels to keep an eye on here? I mean, looking at the daily chart here, I would say that the high here at 23.28, and we could look at this as a potential double top here. Now, that will only be confirmed if we trade below the lowest point between those two highs, which comes down in here right around 16. So keep that in mind. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. And there it is. It's pretty obvious, pretty nice block there. If we box this, obviously if we break the low here at 16, it looks like we're headed towards 10. If we can get back above these highs, then we'd be off and running once again. If we look at the monthly chart, again, there it is. Pretty nice, easy picture. Now, if we end off the month like this, remember, the month of December here, we're only part way through, so this bar here on the monthly chart has not closed. So this can change. This can change, but obviously right now, this is a bearish engulfing pattern if you just look at these recent two candles here. So if we finish the month like this, you can mark the low on that candle, and if that gives way, then we are most likely headed lower. But again, we still have 2.5 weeks to go in the month here of trading. So those are the key levels to watch. 16 here down below and 23 to the upside, but certainly not a good day for Under Armour. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.